Yellowknife in the winter requires a special kind of stamina. You can get a lot colder than this, making the arena one of the warmer places to gather, especially these days. Yellowknife's first ever sledge hockey team, just like the Paralympians. Thing is, almost none of these kids need a sledge.
Okay, now put your feet back on.
They have no disability.
No better?
Yeah. Ready?
But they're doing it because of a boy who does.
You almost got it over the red line. Oh, you got it over the red line.
Riley Oldford lives and breathes hockey. Even off the ice, he has no trouble handling a puck.
Oh, no.
One time.
Okay, what?
Just,
And he has no problem defeating his elders either.
come on, yeah, right here. I'm open.
Oh.
There have been many challenges, though, related to his cerebral palsy, beginning on day one. Riley was a code blue delivery, born nearly 2 months premature. At just under 4 pounds, he was put in intensive care. So sick, so tiny, his parents were barely allowed to touch him.
You got a kid here who many people, many doctors didn't think would live.
Yep. He defied the odds. He was christened on the day that he was born. The doctors came to us and said that he wouldn't make it through that day.
That's a tough thing to hear.
It is a tough thing to hear.
So when you think about this guy sitting here now, and this game you're going to play, and all these friends who are joining him, that's a pretty big journey.
It is for him to be able to play hockey and to be able to do that in Yellowknife with his peers and with people that he's met through hockey and through school is amazing.
So this is your room.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So there's a Derek Whitson stick.
That's this?
Yeah, that one. And
Okay.
that was from 2011.
Okay, and who's he? Who's Derek?
So he used to play on Team Canada
Yeah.
for sledge hockey.
So he's pretty good.
Yeah.
Riley is now 12 years old, but his situation has meant growing up faster in some ways.
Yeah.
And he's pretty frank about it.
And your number?
Yeah.
68. Did you choose 68?
Yeah. So when I was born,
Yeah.
I had 68 days on a ventilator. So it helps you breathe.
Yeah.
Pumps
Like a
air
life
in.
support.
Yeah, life support. Pumps air in, takes it out. Pumps air in, takes it out. So
It's a big subject. And sometimes you forget Riley is just a kid. A pretty popular kid, as it turns out.
When you started playing, you were the only kid.
yeah,
And then a bunch of your friends said,
I want to try it.
and when I think about what's happened with you and your friends, it's that your friends said, if stand-up hockey is not accessible to you,
Then
that
we'll
they're
just
going to
do
be...
sledge hockey.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they like it.
What does that say about all your friends who did this?
They're really good friends. They do a lot of things just so I can do it with them.
We caught up with those friends. About 22 of them now play on sledges.
It's good to get on the ice a bit more often, and it's good workout for the arms.
Yeah.
Liam Leonard was one of the first.
Yes.
When you look at a kid like Riley, the way you walk into the building and the way he walks into the building is different. But by you and a lot of your friends getting together,
Yep.
you're taking a lot of that difference away.
Yep. It's really, we're just trying to help him and make it really fun for all of us. And he's done a great job at making it fun for us too.
Much of that work is thanks to Riley's mom. She is herself one of the players. About 10 are on the ice at any one time, and Riley, when that puck is up for grabs, well, he races for it.
Out on the ice, he doesn't need anybody to help him.
No. I think this is where he probably enjoys himself most.
It's not that hockey erases the challenges in his life, but it's an important reminder that his life is about much more than those challenges. Riley's friends insist he should be thanked for introducing them to sledge hockey. He's pretty quick to thank them, too.
Awesome.
What's so awesome about it?
Just they're all that they could do so many other sports. They could be at home. They could not even care.
Yeah.
And they come out and they love it.
1, 2, 3, sledge!
David Coleman, CBC News, Yellowknife.